Today, we are going to explore the fascinating Rembrandt House Museum right here in beautiful Amsterdam. Join me as we step into the world of the legendary artist Rembrandt. Just take a look at this stunning building. This is where Rembrandt lived, worked, and created some of his most iconic masterpieces. Let's go inside and discover the magic. As we enter, we are transported back in time to the 17th century. Here we are in Rembrandt's actual studio. Imagine the great artist himself standing right here, painting his famous portraits and captivating scenes. Rembrandt was a master of light and shadow. As we look at his tools and techniques, we can see how he used layers of paint to create depth and texture in his works. Now let's step into the personal world of Rembrandt. His living quarters are preserved with such authenticity that you almost expect him to walk in any moment. It's a glimpse into his daily life and the ambience of the 17th century. One thing I love about this museum is how interactive it is. From drawing sessions to trying out etching techniques, visitors can engage with Rembrandt's methods firsthand. It's an art lover's dream come true. And there you have it, an enriching journey through the Rembrandt House Museum. It's not just a museum, it's a time machine that transports us to the heart of art and history. If you're ever in Amsterdam, this is a must-visit destination. I was also able to make a few sketches. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more art adventures, and leave a comment below about your favorite Rembrandt masterpiece. Until next time, keep exploring and keep creating. See you soon.